Spent way too much time moving on. Tried a couple of therapists, even got rid of some stuff. It's like my mind got a mind of its own. 'Cause I've been busy getting over someone. It's not like my brain's not rising every time you get too close. It's not like I can't imagine losing myself in your arms. It's not like my skin is longing after the weight of your touch. It's what if I mess this up? So just take it slow, 'cause I'm scared to let go. And my heart is struggling not to get